Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an indicator that you have set on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed with logging in using your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the market summary page. Now, if you wish to remove an indicator that you have set, then tap on the alerts icon at the right side underneath the watch list button. Once you tap on alert, you will see all of the indicators that you have added within your alerts. Now, in order to remove any one, simply hover over it and you will see the cross icon at the top right corner. Tap on this button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you would like to remove this indicator. Tap on the yes button and now this will be removed right away. You can do this with as many number of indicators as you wish and it will be removed from your alerts right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove an indicator on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.